Hello everyone, welcome to Aryavat Ashram. I am M. Mahip, Faculty for IAS Mathematics. Today I have come up with the analysis of civil services examination paper, and this is, as you can see, is paper 2, and this is the question paper. Okay, so these were the questions which were asked in the examination, and today I will particularly show you some of the questions which were difficult. Many people were having issues in the examination, and those questions were verbatim from our test series. So one of the questions which many people were taken by surprise was the question on the Navier-Stokes momentum equation. So you can read the question: determine under what conditions the velocity u is equal to cx square minus y square, v is equal to minus 2cxy, w is equal to 0 is a solution to the Navier-Stokes momentum equation. Assuming that the conditions are met, determine the resulting pressure distribution when z is up and external body forces are bx is equal to 0, by is also 0, and bz is equal to minus g. This is asked for question for 20 marks. Also, if you look question number 8a, you have to reduce this partial differential equation to the canonical form, asked for 15 marks. So we will show you in particular the question. This is the test paper that we conducted, and this we also asked it for how many marks? 20 marks. UPSC has also asked this question for 20 marks, and you can see that take the velocity, field u is equal to ax square minus y square, v is equal to minus 2xy, w is 0, and determine under what condition it is the solution to the Navier-Stokes momentum equation. Assuming that these conditions are met, determine the resulting pressure distribution when z is up. Gx is 0, gy is 0, and gz is minus g. So many people do not study Navier-Stokes theorem. We have already told that the question is often in the examination from Navier-Stokes, and that's why Navier-Stokes equation, and that's why we have put up this question in the exam. These questions are well researched, and they are not from the ordinary textbooks. So our team is constantly looking for the new variety of questions, and most of the questions were from Aryavat Ashram tutorial sheet, so that we will be also showing you. But some areas which are something which can really be a watershed moment in your selection, and these are the questions that really make the most of it in the examination, and undoubtedly many people have left this question. Now, if you would see further, this is your next test, and this is your 8A. Luckily, this is your 8A, and the question paper of civil services examination. This is the symbol that I have used: t minus s plus p minus q, 1 plus 1 by x plus z by x is equal to 0. This is asked for 15 marks, and if you would recall quickly, this is nothing but the question number 8A in IAS exam 2023, also for 15 marks. So we are in this series, our attention is on the verbatim questions, and most of the questions were from the sheet, and we have designed our test papers in such a way that you will be definitely in the top 50 if you do it religiously. And not only that, we also provide mentorship program as we are doing, and there were so many toppers as well. So people who have not done well in this exam because they have not understood the demand of the examination, it is high time that you do not waste your precious 1 year from here on. And if any help is required, we are going to help you in that matter, especially with regard to test series and mentorship program, where we will help you to nurture the areas where you are weak. We will give you personal attention, and as always, we are very only concerned with the serious and people who have written mains or struggling to get beyond 250. So if you are really serious about it, we are very careful, and we meticulously try to organize yourself so that you get the most marks in the examination. So in the other videos, I will be doing the explanations of the questions, that where these questions were asked from, and this is about two ideas, especially question number 8A and 8C, verbatim from the test series of 2023. So the most important point that you should keep in mind, it is not just the question that appears, it's the story behind those questions, why certain questions are asked. So if you know the syllabus very well, if you have done our sheets, and if you find a difficulty, you can always ask us, And once you are thorough with this concept and previous year question in an organic and organized manner, then only you can take the challenge of doing difficult questions. So one has to begin at the base of the mountain before you climb its tallest peak. So the mathematics optional requires great determination, not only in terms of practice, but also writing the test in stipulated time. And most of the people do that. Despite this, they do not get marks. Most important thing that is missing is the feedback, and feedback upon which you can improve. So we always have one-on-one session with the people who are writing the test and mentorship program, and wherever they find difficulty, we try to figure it out, and we also give them extra assignment so that they can do better in this examination. Okay, so this is the main important thing. So at the end, those of you who want to join the test series and want to know about the programs which we will be launching soon, so you can connect with the Aryabhat Ashram, and you can visit our website. And thanks.